Okay, so here's a video that we've got of Ukraine war, and I've slowed it down. And what it is, we're watching this helicopter, and it's going to attack Russian lines. Now, I'm sort of looking around here as well to see if anything's going on. Can't see a lot, but there was maybe an object here, possibly some smoke rising. I can't tell. Something moving around, possibly there that moves off, but we can't tell. Anyway, we're going to move on to the next scene. So this is where the main thing happens. So we're seeing this object appear here and move across the screen there. Then we have these objects here and here moving off. Helicopter attacks. And then down here, there's an object there, black. And as he fires, some more of these objects skip in here. Here's this guy moving across here, there, there. Now the camera pans round, kind of a bit blank now, just not so much. As we come back down, we pick up these fast-moving objects around the tree line here. One pops up in a minute. You'll see. There. Then moves down that way. So it went like that, and then there's one going down that way. See there. Now we have some in the field appearing here. So one pops up in the tree around here now. You'll see somewhere around here. There, and then moves back across the screen. You can see. Yeah. So I really don't know what they all are. They're very strange. Anyway, I'd love to know if they're ordnance or whether they're projectiles. It's all very strange. Thank you.